How do you use FFmpeg to convert a video to the HAP codec? The HAP codec allows for very high resolution videos that can use graphic hardware rather than the CPU for streaming at live events and other high demanding digital video processes such as virtual production. If you go to the HAP website, you can click on Using HAP. Here it describes the different codecs that are available for HAP. Generally, you're going to want to use HAP Q or just the plain HAP. Each one has its pluses and minuses for what you need to do in your particular situation. A really easy way to be able to change a video from any codec to HAP is using FFmpeg. If you don't already have FFmpeg installed, make sure it's on your machine. Then we can use these commands to convert a movie to HAP. First, open a terminal or command line prompt. Here I have a terminal window. I need to find my file. I happen to know it's in downloads, so I could go CD downloads. But what if I don't know where my file is or it has a long path? Here I'm going to close this window and I'll make a new window. Then I'll open up a Finder window. Watch if I drag this file straight from Finder into terminal. It automatically uses the entire path. This can be very helpful if you're not sure where your file is or if it's in a complicated directory structure. Both work fine. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this, and I'm going to use CD downloads because right here is my Waves MP4. I'll move this window out of the way, and then I want to look at this command right here. I'll type FFmpeg-I. The input movie will be waves.mp4. Then -C, because I'm going to copy it. It's going to be a video. The codec will be HAP, and then I get to label the output movie. So I can say waves hap.mov. Then if I press enter, it goes straight through there, and you can see in the downloads folder that it made the Waves HAP movie. This is going to be a much larger file size because it is mostly uncompressed. So here you can see it increased to 1.28 gigabytes from the original 76 megabytes. But this will allow it to process on a graphics hardware rather than bogging down the CPU. We can also use other formats such as HAP Q, which is recommended for most situations. I'll type FFmpeg-I waves.mp4-C:\V HAP. Then I can choose format by typing -format HAP_Q waves HAPQ.mov. And you can see the HAP Q codec is even larger at 2.03 gigabytes. This will stream even faster and have less hardware resources than the standard HAP. HAP has lower file sizes, but it may use more resources to stream. Hopefully this allows you to use FFmpeg to convert any video to the HAP codec for use in virtual production or any other place that you need to use the HAP codec.